Hi, I'm Teresa.
And I'm Shelley. Today we're going to go over some of our makes, holiday shop hours, new arrivals, and some great garment and bag classes that are coming up in January.
Woohoo! Did you bring any makes?
Nope.
I did, but it's the same as last week. It's just a little further along.
Hey!
Oh, it looks like something got stuck on something there. Anyway, I'm still working on my hot chocolate socks.
You made it to the heel.
I made it, yep. I made it past the heel. I'm doing the foot. It's going to be awesome.
I looked at my sewing room.
Nice job.
I finished my napkins from the tutorial.
Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Okay, so I'm sure there's more stuff we've made. We just don't remember right now. So our holiday hours, we are going to be closed on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day, which means since we're normally closed on Mondays, we'll be closed the 23rd, which is a Monday, and the 24th and 25th.
Yay!
3 days off in a row. What? And then we will be open New Year's Eve, but not New Year's Day.
Right. So on that week, we'll be closed the Monday and the Wednesday.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
But we are always open online.
Exactly. And if you do place an order online during those days off, just give us a little extra time to pack it up and ship, because we will have we'll have fewer people here because of the holidays to get orders packed and out the door. So please give us a little bit of leeway.
Yeah. Since we're talking about closings, Mr. Repair, Steve Kraft, is going to be taking some time off for the holidays. So
I think he's not going to be back now until after January 1st.
Right. So you can still bring in your machines.
Mm-hmm.
Just he won't pick them up until
January.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll take a little longer than usual, but he's usually just a 1 week turnaround, which is great. But he's taking a little vacation.
Yeah.
Yay. So let's talk about some new stuff that's here.
Lots of good stuff.
Oh, here there's a kit that we have we're started working on.
Oh, the Hazel Hedgehog.
Yes. And not upside down. Yay. Here we go. So Elizabeth Hartman, Hazel Hedgehog, and this is done in some great Figo fabrics.
Yeah.
And
here's the pattern.
There's the pattern. And here, Carrie's gonna just put it right here so we can.
Right there.
So anyway, great kit coming.
Yes, this is so fun. I love her stuff.
Speaking of kits, we had a really good response to our Gravity Block of the Month kit by Jaybird Quilts. This one comes from Northcott. It's in their, oops, wrong side, Stonehenge fabrics. And it looks like this.
I love this quilt. It is so pretty and so vibrant. And it's currently on our long arm machine. If you want to come in and see it, it's going to be custom quilted. And we're really excited about it.
And so Heather's been putting in a lot of time designing something behind the scenes to quilt on here. So when you guys see it, any of you who already have the kit, or who we were able to order another batch of these. So online right now, they're there as a pre-order item, but I think they've already shipped and should be here very soon. So I think we have 5 left of the 6 that we just ordered.
Okay.
And anyway, the quilting is going to be amazing. So because she's put all this time into doing it, it's going to be, when you see it and you love it, it's going to be custom quilting. So it'll be a little more than quilting normally would be, but not as much as it would be if she'd had to design it just for your one quilt.
Yeah.
So we're going to be able to offer a little bit of a deal on that custom quilting.
And there's still time to order yours for Christmas.
Yeah. Perfect.
Or Hanukkah. Or Solstice. Or whatever you celebrate.
You will.
Yep. All right.
Hold on a second.
Let's see what else we got here. Oh, should we talk about this? This? Okay. The new Tim Holtz fabric is here.
It's very exciting. This is the pink palette, and it took forever to get here. It was stuck in ports. It was delayed quite a bit. But the pink is finally here, and there are some really fun fabrics in here. We do have, I think we cut one extra fat quarter bundle, so that will be available. And we have yardage of all of the other pink fabrics. And red will be available the next week because that arrived just like a couple days later than the pink did. So we're getting it all to our club members. So if you're in the club, you have a special link to go find it on the website and purchase any extra you might want. And after that first week is over, then it goes out to everybody. Anybody can order some of this fabric. So keep your eyes out for that.
Can I still sign up for club?
I don't believe so.
Oh.
I think it's too late for that. But you can still get some of the fabric. You know, if there's any left after the club members buy it, there should be some left.
Okay, this is new by Clothworks.
Pretty.
It is really fun, outdoorsy fabric. Serenity is its name.
The colors are very serene.
They are.
Oh, look at this.
Yes.
Panels.
Panels.
Let's see. Whoop, wrong way.
It's not a mirror.
Not a mirror.
Flip it over.
Yep, I'm getting there. Very pretty.
And here is this one. And there's like some peaches and some greens that go with it. It's pretty
Nice.
awesome. It's circus time.
It's circus time. Oh, look at these penguins. This is one of those just fun, kitschy, adorable fabric lines that I was really excited with. When I ordered it, I will take credit for this. I did order this one. And it's hilarious. It's like old-timey circus stuff.
But with animals in hats and parasols and on balls, and it's adorable.
I love the colors.
Mm-hmm. There's I think one more in that line. Here it is.
Yay. Good border stripe. Yeah. Cute stuff. What else do you have?
Africa.
Africa.
Africa safari.
Nice.
Animals. I might have been involved in the picking of this.
Highly likely.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Ooh, neat. That's a nice, can't think of the words I'm trying to use.
Check out these magnificent beasts.
Are you going to be seeing some of these guys soon?
Not lions.
Oh, okay.
Tigers.
Tigers.
Hopefully.
I want pictures.
And our pattern came
It
in.
arrived.
Yes, for this.
The ruler came before the pattern.
Mm-hmm.
This one's called Crimson Christmas. And, oops, let's see.
You could get ahead of it for next year.
Yeah, exactly. It's by Krista Moser. And I thought it was gorgeous. It's like poinsettias.
Mm-hmm.
And then the ruler, the 60 degree diamond. There we go. 60-degree diamond ruler. Goes with it.
And these are hot off the press.
Yay.
Annie's two new ones and one revised. We've got 2 big totes. Side hustle.
That little sling bag.
Yep. And on the go 2.0.
On the go 2.0.
Yeah.
So what is this meant to be for? Stash passport, money, name badge.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's a pretty small,
Yeah.
cute little bag. Cute.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah. So we got these in and they're available to purchase now.
Awesome. Stonehenge retro vibes. Well, that's a good polka dot. And collage letters and numbers.
That one might be my type.
Okay.
They were in the same box.
My type, yep.
Yeah. But they all go together.
Awesome. It's pretty. Natural colors.
Here's a few more friends.
More letters.
And there's a few more in the box too.
Scripty letters. Let's see, I'm getting weird glare, but hopefully you can see that.
think that's it for new products this week.
Okay.
Let's talk classes.
All right. Let's talk classes. Thank you.
So Drop Zone is coming up January 21st. This was a new Annie pattern last year. And
End of the year.
End of the year. Yep. Or was it May?
Oh, I think it was May, actually. Yeah. It was,
yeah. And it comes in.
Because it's the end of the year already, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So this was May.
Yeah.
It opens up into like a tray.
It's very cool. It comes in 3 sizes. This is the medium. And so, yeah, that's a class January 21st that Heather's teaching.
And it's called Drop Zone because the idea is you just zip it open and it becomes a tray and you set it next to your machine or next to your knitting or your hand stitching, and you can just drop stuff in there like your scissors or your
what
clips.
about next to your bathroom?
Yeah,
like for
like a little
traveling,
dock kit.
bag. Yeah.
Makeup or toothbrush for. This would be great for kids for toothbrush and toothpaste and stuff.
Yeah.
And flossers.
First aid kit.
Yep.
Yeah, all kinds of.
Great for gifts because it doesn't take that much fabric.
Right.
And I don't believe it takes that long either. So, and they're so cute and useful. So great to make a bunch of these as gifts.
Yeah, you just need 2 fat quarters and a fat eighth.
Perfect. Okay, so on January 18th, Leslie will be teaching another garment class, the Stevie Tunic by Tilly and the Buttons. Here is the shirt version. And there's also a dress version, and it's a really versatile pattern because Tilly and the Buttons sells an add-on pattern on their website. So you can have 3/4 length sleeves, you can make a gathered skirt, you can turn the Stevie into an easy breezy oversized smock dress with an extra large patch pocket. So it's a great pattern to hack and practice your skills on and kind of play with and make it your own.
Yeah.
So that's going to be a great class.
And you know what? We need a name for our mannequin. We have 2 mannequins and
Dress forms.
their dress forms. We need a name. Should we ask them to name it?
That's a great idea. We need your suggestions. My immediate suggestion for this one was Bluey.
Which is a cartoon character. We had to tell Teresa.
Not my most creative moment, but it was an easy one to come up with. So if you have a better idea than Bluey, which I know you do, let me know.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and
like.
And we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.